Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Today we're going to be doing a Valentine's Day look. I'm actually going to do my eyebrows off camera because we all know how long that takes. So let's get straight on to my eyes. I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes with just a regular concealer. Today and lately I've been using the Makeup Revolution one. And I'm just going to dot that all over my eyes and blend it in with a brush. This is one of my favorite concealer brushes. I'll link everything down below. And then we're going to go ahead and set that with a pressed powder. And let's get straight on to the eyeshadow. I'm using this color from the Bretman Rock Lip Palette from Colourpop collab he had. And I'm just going to use that as a transition shade. And then I'm going to go in with this color right here from the Jaclyn Morphe palette. And we're going to use that as our crease color and kind of our transition shade. So we're going to blend those two colors together. Once that's done, I'm going to take this red color in the palette, in the Morphe Jaclyn palette, and use that as my outer V. And finally, we're going to blend all of that together because, you know, it's necessary. And then I'm going to just take more of that red color and put it in my outer V, just because I felt like it needed a little bit more depth. Alright, once that's all blended in, we're going to go ahead and cut our crease. This has been my favorite all-time brush to cut my crease with. I'm sure you guys have seen it before. It's just like a $1 Wet n Wild flat shader brush. And I'm just using that with the Makeup Revolution concealer and cutting my crease. I like to also feather it out on the outside with the concealer, just like this. That way it blends a little bit better. Once that's all done, I like to set that with this color right here from the Jaclyn palette, and that's going to be like our inner corner, kind of inner lid color, and this is just going to help transition all of the colors that we're going to put on our eyes. This is going to be like the lightest color on our eyelid, because it is on the innermost part of our eyes, and we're just going to apply that all over the inner eyes. Wow, I said inner a lot, sorry. Alright, once that inner color is all in there, we're going to take all of these three colors right here. I just kind of mix them together. They seem like the same color to me, even though if you swatch them, they're probably not. But I'm going to put that on the middle part of my lid, and this is going to be like a pinkier shade. And then we're going to blend that first color and the pinkier shade together, as well as in the outer parts. Then I'm going to go back to the Bretman Rock palette and get this like redder color and put it on the outer V, and then go back in with this red and brown and kind of blend that out together so it all kind of blends together and looks like this. I'm also going to blend a little bit more using this fluffier brush from Morphe. Then we're going to go in with the eyeliner, and I'm just going to do a really thin, solid line. No wing or anything, because I felt like if I winged it, I would have messed up 100%. And we're just going to get that and get that ready for the lashes that we're going to do. Alright, now let's get on with the face. I will be priming my face with the Super Light Photo Finish Smashbox Primer and then patting that in, and then we're going to just straight go into mascara and apply a generous amount. I don't like to clump my mascara, I don't know about you guys, but we're just going to put a little bit of mascara on there and wiggle the wand. You know how we do. And then after mascara, we're just going to move on to the rest of our face. You guys can pick whatever foundation you suggest. I've just been using the Cosmetics CC Cream one. I've just been doing more lighter weight foundations because, I don't know, every time I try to wear foundation, it's just too heavy for me. Alright, after that, we are going to take our Makeup Revolution concealer again. Wow, we use this a lot. No wonder I always run out. And we're just going to put that under our eyes and then set our under eyes with powder. And the rest of our face with powder as well. You guys can choose to bake under the eyes, but I didn't really feel like I needed to. So, yeah. And once that's done, I'm just going to go in with the Benefit Hula bronzer and just start bronzing up my face. You know, gotta get them cheekbones in for the Valentine's Day. You know, pretend like we actually enjoy the date, you know. You never know. And then we're going to go ahead and start contouring our nose because why not? It's Valentine's Day. Let's just be extra. Why not? Once that's all blended in, we're going to start blending the bronzer together with our blush. I've just been using just normal pinky brown blush. And then I'm going to take my powder brush and start kind of contouring and baking the sides of my face. And then I will be taking this Wet n Wild kind of like liquid concealer, not concealer, highlight, and just start putting that on the high points of my face and blending out with my fingers. I feel like for this product you have to use your fingers. I've tried brushes and it does not look as blinding. Once that's all blended in, we're just going to take our favorite highlight. I've been using the Wet n Wild and a Colourpop mixture and kind of putting that on my cheekbones and under my eyelid and then blending that out so it seamlessly kind of blends in with our eyeshadow. And once that's all finished, we just wipe all of the powders off of our face and set it with the Badescu spray. And let's get on with the best part, the ending. I'm going to go ahead and choose one of these lashes from this Lash Dreams Wispy pack, and I'm going to apply that onto my eyes. Pro tip, if you guys are applying eyelashes, use tweezers, they help out a lot, and also put the mirror facing like under you kind of, and apply it that way. It makes you like see your lash line a lot better. And yeah, and go ahead and apply some more eyeliner if you want to on top of that. Once that's done, we're going to line our lips with like a darker mauve kind of color and then apply this Colourpop liquid lipstick. This one is my all-time favorite. I remember when I first bought Colourpop, this was my favorite lip color, and it's I think in Tulle or Tulle. And girl, once you're done, lipstick is on, it won't leave, and you're gonna be good to eat whatever you want for Valentine's Day and do whatever you want, and you're all good. I hope you guys have an amazing Valentine's Day or Galentine's Day if you guys are going out with your friends. Try not to be too disappointed or anything, but yeah, I hope you guys also remember that the Valentine's Day is a day for love and happiness and all of that good stuff, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram. All the links to the products I've used on this video are going to be down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!